Today, we're going to be diving into a topic that's crucial for anyone living with diabetes: kidney health. Diabetes is a chronic condition that affects how your body regulates blood sugar, and unfortunately, it can also increase your risk of developing kidney problems. But the good news is, there are many things you can do to protect your kidneys and keep them functioning optimally. Did you know that over one-third of people with diabetes also have chronic kidney disease, CKD? That's a significant number, but it doesn't have to be your story. By taking charge of your diabetes management and incorporating some simple lifestyle changes, you can significantly reduce your risk of kidney complications. So, whether you've been living with diabetes for years or you're newly diagnosed, stick around. In this video, we'll be exploring some key tips and tricks to help you manage your kidney health alongside your diabetes. We'll cover everything from controlling your blood sugar and blood pressure to dietary adjustments and healthy habits. By the end of this video, you'll be equipped with the knowledge and tools you need to keep your kidneys healthy and thriving. The connection between diabetes and kidney disease. Before we delve into specific strategies, let's take a moment to understand the link between diabetes and kidney disease. Your kidneys are incredible organs, responsible for filtering waste products and excess fluids from your blood. They also play a vital role in maintaining blood pressure and red blood cell production. However, high blood sugar levels, a hallmark of diabetes, can damage the delicate blood vessels in your kidneys over time. This damage can hinder their ability to filter waste effectively, leading to a buildup of toxins in your bloodstream and eventually chronic kidney disease. The power of blood sugar control your kidneys as a complex filtration system with millions of tiny filters constantly working to remove waste products and keep your blood clean. However, when you have diabetes and your blood sugar levels consistently run high, it's like pouring thick syrup into this intricate system. The excess sugar acts like a heavy load, overwhelming the filters and forcing your kidneys to work overtime. This relentless effort to remove the extra sugar can, over time, damage these vital organs. Think of it this way: the more sugar circulating in your bloodstream, the more your kidneys have to work to filter it out. It's like trying to clear a clogged drain. The harder they work, the more wear and tear they experience. This constant stress can weaken the delicate blood vessels within your kidneys, hindering their ability to function properly. The good news is, you hold the key to protecting your kidneys from this sugar overload. By keeping your blood sugar under tight control, you significantly reduce the workload on these vital organs. This proactive approach becomes the cornerstone of safeguarding your kidney health with diabetes. Remember, even small fluctuations in blood sugar can take a toll over time. Consistent management is crucial to ensure your kidneys can continue to function optimally and keep your entire body healthy. Taming the blood pressure. Beast. High blood pressure, often referred to as the silent killer, poses a significant threat to your kidneys. Imagine these vital organs as intricate networks of delicate blood vessels. When blood pressure surges, it's like a constant, forceful current coursing through these delicate channels. This excessive pressure damages the vessels, hindering their ability to filter waste products from your blood efficiently. Over time, this relentless strain can lead to chronic kidney disease. The good news is, you have the power to control this silent threat and protect your kidneys. By taking proactive steps to manage your blood pressure, you significantly reduce the risk of kidney damage. Here's how you can fight back: integrating a healthy lifestyle with a focus on a well-balanced diet, incorporating strategies that naturally lower blood pressure, such as reducing sodium intake and opting for fresh ingredients over processed foods. Additionally, maintaining a healthy weight and engaging in regular physical activity, aiming for at least 30 minutes of moderate intensity exercise most days of the week, will significantly benefit your blood pressure control. Partnering with your doctor through regular checkups and monitoring is crucial. They can help you develop a personalized plan to keep your blood pressure within a healthy range. By incorporating these tactics, you can tame the blood pressure threat and safeguard your kidney health, empowering you to live a long and healthy life. Dietary tweaks for kidney protection. While a balanced diet is the foundation of good health, for optimal kidney function with diabetes, some specific tweaks can make a big difference. One adjustment involves protein. While it's crucial for many bodily functions, excessive protein intake can strain your kidneys. Working with your doctor or dietitian will help you determine the appropriate amount for your needs. Another consideration is the balance of potassium and phosphorus. These minerals play vital roles, but an imbalance can harm your kidneys. Talking to your doctor about managing these minerals through your diet is key. Finally, staying well hydrated is essential. Drinking plenty of water throughout the day keeps your kidneys functioning optimally, allowing them to effectively flush out waste products. Healthy habits for thriving kidneys. Don't just rely on diet and medication for optimal kidney health. Here's where some powerful lifestyle habits come into play. Scheduling regular checkups with your doctor is crucial. These appointments allow for early detection of any kidney issues and enable timely intervention to manage chronic kidney disease effectively. Your doctor may utilize various tests during these checkups, including blood tests to assess kidney function and waste product buildup, urine tests to check for protein and other abnormalities, and imaging tests to visualize your kidneys and assess their health. Blood tests to assess kidney function and waste product buildup. Regular checkups with your doctor are crucial for monitoring your kidney health. These visits may include various tests to assess their function and identify any potential issues early on. Blood tests can reveal how well your kidneys are filtering waste products, while urine tests can check for protein in the urine, which can be a sign of kidney damage. Imaging tests like ultrasounds provide a visual picture of your kidneys,